Hello everyone. Welcome back to Code with PS. In today's video, we'll be diving into one of the most fundamental and widely used functions in Python, the print function. This is the function that every programmer uses as their first code when learning Python or any other programming language. The print function is used to display the output to the console. It's incredibly versatile and can be used to print various types of objects. Now, let's take a look at some different types of objects that can be printed using the print function. Here, we're printing a string, which is a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. Next, we have an integer, which is a whole number without a decimal point. Now we are printing a float. Float is a number that includes a decimal point. Now we are printing a boolean. A boolean can be either true or false. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Here we are printing dictionaries, which are used to store data in key and value pairs separated by a colon symbol. Now, let's run some simple examples to see how the print function works in practice. First, we'll print a simple message. We'll write print and then we'll write welcome to Code with PS as a string inside a bracket. Now, we will run our program, and as you can see, it has been printed. Now, let's print a calculation of the sum of two numbers. And as you can see, the result has been printed. We can also print the result of functions. So let's move one step ahead and let's print the cube and the square root of a number. First, we'll print the cube of a number. First, we will enter the value of a number, say 3. Then we will write a function for printing cube of it by adding exponent 3 to the number. At last, we will print the function to get our output. And as we press the run button, you can see that the cube of the number 3 has been printed. Next, we'll print the square root of a number by importing math library. Similarly, as we have done in previous one, we have to take one number, say 16. Then we have to define square root function written as sqrt. Then we'll give the print command to get our final output. And again, we will press the run button and the square root of 16 has been printed. So, that's how you can use the print function in Python to display various types of data. Whether you're printing a simple message, the result of a calculation, or the output of a function, the print function is your go-to tool. In the next video of this series of Python basics, we will see how to take input of various types of literals from a user and print the output accordingly. Till then, keep coding.